Good day, sir. Good day, classmates. So, we are the group 5 and our topic is all about advanced thread cutting operation. So, first, what is thread cutting? It's a process of creating helical grooves or threads on a cylindrical workpiece by using single point threading tool that has shape matching the desired thread profile. So, ang thread cutting day, so kita tanan is naka-experience na kung unsaon paghimo og thread. So, thread cutting usually gamit ang machine nga gamito nato is ang lathe. So, gets naman ninyo kung unsa ang thread, di ba, kay nakahimo man tag project nga na threading. So, next is what is advanced thread cutting? So, advanced thread cutting refers to a machining process that go beyond basic single star thread. It involves producing specialized, like complex or high precision thread forms for specific application. Unlike ordinary thread cutting, which usually makes standard basic bolts and nuts. Advanced thread cutting is used when stronger, smoother, or more efficient threads are required. So, kanidi ang advanced thread cutting. So, naay duha ka part ang thread cutting, which is ang advanced thread cutting and the basic thread cutting. So, moingon kitag basic thread cutting. So, ang basic thread cutting is maoto ang mga kuan lang kanang ang pag single thread lang na siya, like for example ang bolts and nuts. So, ang bolts and nuts pwede nato siya ang matawag siya og basic thread cutting because usually sa karon ang bolts and nuts pwede ra nato siya himuon as pag mano-mano. So moingon kitag mano-mano, like kanagay gamit mismo ang manpower, like so moingon mano-mano ang gamito na is ang lathe machine. So once moingon ka og basic thread cutting, so ang gamiton ana is ang mga lathe machine. Kay ko ano ba na siya basic. Wa mo yung tag advanced thread cutting mo na ang mga kuan na kanang mayon na tag mga precise, accurate na iyang sukod. Then mga kuan na po na mga lisod ilang mga himuonon and lisod ang ilang mga lisod nga mga materials. So gamit na pud tag advanced thread cutting mao na to ang mga advanced na pud nga mga machine like CNC lathe, CNC milling, and unsa pa na nga CNC diha. So which is once mo ingon tag advanced, so mao na ang naay mga programmable na siya, mga automated, while ang basic mao tong mga kuan lang kanang mano-mano. So gets advanced mao to ang programmable and basic gani mo ingon tag basic thread cutting mao to ang kanang mga mano-mano. The next is ang sa among i-search na ay upat ka example among gihatag, pero ang akong ihatag nga example is ang multi-star thread. So multi-star thread is a thread designed with two or more parallel intertwined grooves, which allows for a greater linear distance or lead to be covered with fewer rotation compared to a single star thread. So mo na ni ang example aning multi-star thread kay ang kanang kuan katong kanang takob sa inigabli nimo sa kanang bottle of cap, then ang mga materials sa aerospace. So kana sila dapat na sila kanang accurate ilahang kuan kanang paggama. So dapat ang gamiton nila isang CNC mga advanced gyud. So mao na isa mo example sa kanang advanced. Then napoy example ang basic thread cutting mo lang tong mga single thread, mga basic lang ba nga kaya mahimo sa tao nga imano-mano. So that's all for my topic, and the next one.
Good morning everyone, I'm Walter C. Elia Jr. and I'm discussing the types of threads. The first threads I will discuss is the square thread. Square thread is a type of screw thread with rectangular cross sections characterized by 0-degree thread angles and perpendicular flanks, making them highly efficient for power transmission and low friction application like jacks, vices, and lead screws. Mailanan ninyo nga square thread siya kay ang ang design sa iyang thread kay square man, then nasa mga angle nga 90-degree angle dyan na siya nga equal iyang mga pitch, half pitch niya. Then next is the Acme thread. Acme thread is a type of trapezoidal screw thread used primarily for transmitting force in linear motions. Applications like lead screw and power screws found in vices and jacks and CNC machines. Kanisiyang Acme thread kay lahi po ni siyang design na trapezoid ang iyang form, dili siya square length. It also have the precise motions in controlling dali ra sa mo precise din yung pag maghugot mo, then mo balik na gapon na sa dili kayo luag niya na kung siya Acme thread. Then last is buttress thread. Buttress threads or sawtooth thread is also threads that with an asymmetric design and features square face and slanted face. Kanang like po sa pagka-design kay kanang flat ang yang sa babaw per niya mura sa half nga V. Then kanang it is used for pipe threads, screw threads for high pressure vessels, and lead screws. Kanang mga screw bitaw na kanang para nigugot ninyo, then dili din mo balik ang force niya bang kanang dili din siya matangtang na screw mo na yung gamit sa yung design sa yung thread mo na siya buttress thread.
I am Dizamay Boras, and I will be discuss about the advantages, disadvantages, and application of examples advanced thread cutting operations. So we already know about the meaning of multi-start threads and also square threads. So I will be discuss about the advantages, disadvantages, and application. So first, advantages of multi-start threads, which is mas paspas siya linear motion per revolution. And second, naa siya smooth operation. And also third, good for quick assembly or disassembly. And then, ang disadvantages ani niya is mas weak siya, weaker than single start. And then makaless pod siya material between threads. And second, mas daghan siya complex sa machine. And then the application of multi-start threads, which is bottle caps, screw jacks, and also CNC lead screws. And then also square threads. Ang advantages ani niya is very efficient or naa siya low friction. Second, strong for power transmission. Third, makakuan siya carry heavy loads. And then ang disadvantages ani niya is difficult to machine accurately. Second, weaker at the corners or naa siya less concentration. And then ang application ani niya is screw jacks, presses, and also lifting equipment.
So, advantage of Acme threads: easier to cut than square threads, stronger or more durable, wider surface contact. Disadvantage of Acme threads: slightly less of efficient than square threads. Application: late lead screw, vices, clamps, heavy machinery. Buttress threads: advantage of buttress threads: can carry extremely heavy loads in one direction. Very strong design, reduce wear on loaded flank. Disadvantage of battery threads. Only useful for one direction load. Complex tool design needed. Application. Vices jacks, artillery pieces, heavy pressures.
Internal thread, also known female threads, are helical groove machine or mold on the inside surface or hole or component. They are designed to receive engage with internal or male threads, forming a secure thread connection. Internal thread is kuan sir murag nut katong na mga thread sa kuan sir ba so thread mo to internal thread. Tapos ang external thread is a screw thread or helical ridge or on the outside surface of a cylindrical or conical objects such as a bolt, screw, or stud. These external threads are designed to mate with internal thread, typically found in nuts or top holes, to create a secure connection between two components. They are also referred to a male threads. Kuha na siya, internal thread ay sir kay itong murag kuan ba sa to bolt nasa gawas, tapos bolts o nut internal external man internal mga sir external thread. Achieving high accuracy, use CNC thread milling or grinding for precision, ensure machine setup and tool holding, apply connecting lead composition for multitask thread, and inspect using CMM thread wire method or gauge, maintain proper coolant and lubricant para makuha ang cancer kaning mga thread, mga teeth malimpyo. Dapat nindot para indot ang mga thread pagkat. Sa conclusion, advanced thread cutting involves multitask, square, acme, and butt trace forms. Achieving high accuracy requires careful tool selection, precise machine setup, and accurate inspection method for both internal and external threads. Sir, nindot og CNC machine sir sa paghimo sa mga thread kay limpyo og pulido ang mga external og internal thread sir. Nindot mas nice og limpyo gid ligon sa reference mara to sir. Thank you.